Hey everybody, gonna do a little review here on the Syma 40 helicopter I got here. Got two extra blades, we got the rear prop blade. One thing that's unique about this one is these little side chopper motors. Now we're gonna go ahead and hook it up here. Twist them in. Let's get the arrows on the side. Right there, my little. Now I should fire all those up. Okay, so get the charger, spare battery. A battery is in here. This is right away when I looked at it, just a little bit tricky. Put that to the side, pull this back. Battery's right in there. And push it back down, slide this lock over, and you should be ready to roll. Pretty straightforward. Gonna need 4 AA batteries. Age is for 14 plus. I've got some other Syma helicopters that they're just like this, just a little bit smaller. They actually, my 6-year-old can fly them. He can fly them, no problem. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get her flown here. Test it out. A little bitty switch on right there. Lights all light up. And it looks like we're rolling. Well, that thing is snappy. Side to side does the real gentle move. Here's the little motors running on the side. That's left and right, really nice. But then you can go really. Woo. One cool feature is hit that button and she lands. Auto land, pretty cool. Okay, overall the S40 held up really well. Very, very good handling of this unit. It is actually impressive. To buy it, see the link in the description on Amazon. Thanks for watching.